Hi there, it's Amber from youneedanamber.com, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. My goal is to help you run your business better, and I do by giving you productivity tips, tech tutorials, and all around back-end help so that everything runs a little more smoothly. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to use the My Tasks feature in Asana in a better way. So let's get into it. So here we are in Asana. This is my real Asana that I use on an everyday basis. Good afternoon, Amber, right? Like this is my real thing. So this is real life here, friends. But when I come over here to the left to my tasks, sometimes this list feels like a lot. A lot. Now, I use Asana for everything, right? Like pay myself, pay my bills, right? Like everything. Get birthday cards ready, add HoneyBook to my website, right? Like I use Asana for everything. So when I look at this task list, I feel overwhelmed. But I just discovered this new feature that I want to show you that I think that helps use the My Task button a little better. So at the top of your My Task, click on Calendar. And this will show you all of your tasks that you have for the month that's coming up, which is better, right? Like for me, it's visually pleasing with all of the different colors, which is nice, but it doesn't feel so overwhelming. It doesn't feel like there's this huge list. But let me show you something even better. On the right-hand side, it says Month View. Click on that and then click into the Week View. And oh man, does this feel so much better. This is really showing me all of the things that I need to do today. This is today, Friday the 3rd. Like this does not seem as overwhelming as this huge task list. Let me go back. Look at this huge task list. Like this feels like too much. But when I click on calendar, this week view, oh, it feels so much better. I can even come up here to where it says unscheduled. Click unscheduled and it will show a bunch of tasks that have recently been assigned to me, but they're not coming up in the right spot. So I can drag and drop this task into my day and just add things in as I go, which is really nice. I also want to show you that if you click this week view at the top, you can uncheck the weekends and it makes it even more clean. So this is a really great way to have a look at what is going on in your week in a really less stressful way. So I'm going to click into next week and have a look at what's going on. And when I'm in the week, it's very easy to just move things around. Like, oh, Monday's busy with meetings. I'm going to move this over here. Super easy to just drag and drop. Or you can add a task right here. Don't forget to do that thing, right? I can just add it right here and it's private to me and it's already there, ready to go. When I'm done, I can just hover over here, mark the task complete, and it's done. Isn't that the best way to view your My Tasks? Oh, when I discovered this calendar feature, especially the week view, it made me feel so much less stressed because things were color-coded. It wasn't an overwhelming, forever long list of things to just scroll through, like all the things I have to do ever. It made it so much more manageable, and I can drag and drop as I need to. I hope that this was a helpful tutorial for you. I love using Asana. I'm sure you do too. If you want any other Asana tutorials, put those in the comments below because I love making videos about Asana and I would love to make a video specifically for something that you need. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button at the bottom so that you are notified every time I make a new video. Thanks so much for stopping by.